Hey guys, it's Max Convexity, and this is Options Basic class. All right, we need to do follow up from yesterday's trade and do a little trade management. And this is why I made the trade yesterday, because I'm trying to teach this concept. And the concept is when the market offers you a profit, take it, put it in your pocket. All right, you can still keep your upside, and I'm going to show you how. But let's take this darn profit. All right, so it was a nice call. Got to pat myself on the back here. Here's 30-minute SPX, and here's Bollinger Bands. I mentioned yesterday the 1.6 standard deviation. When you get a close outside the 1.6, that's a powerful momentum indicator, in my opinion. Also, a close on the high of the day is a powerful momentum indicator. So we got both of those yesterday. So I came on, and we got some calls for Monday. All right. The calls for Monday are selling for 213 right now. So we're going to sell to close those. Well, wait. First, okay. Well, yeah, I'm trying to think the best way to do this. We're gonna I don't know how to do a roll on that. What I'm trying to teach you guys how to do is roll out. So we're actually going to buy a call for Tuesday, 2 of them, and we're going to pick the 25 delta. See, the calls that we have were for Monday, so I'm trying to get an extra day in here. So we're going to buy 2 of these calls. They cost 91 cents a piece, but we get an extra day. They have a delta of 28. I got a comment yesterday that the 25 delta is the sweet spot when you're buying calls, and I agree with that. So we're going to start looking for the 25 delta. So I'm going to sell for a profit these 2 calls we bought yesterday. It was a nice trade. So sell to close. Closing price. Let's see. In the closing price, I'm going to put in here the bid. 0.61. All right. Sell to close. Okay, those are gone. But then we're going to take the money we just made, part of the money. We're going to put some of the money in our pocket. But we're going to buy 2 of these calls at 91 cents. Switch to put. All right, so then I'm just going to hit save trade. And this is basically a rollout. We took the profit we made with today's, up move, took it off the table. So the thing is, I'm not sure if I should save this as a new trade or override existing trade. I never know how to do this. I need to learn on how to. I know how to do it in real life. I don't know how this software tracks it. It adds another layer of complexity to do paper trading because you want to be fair, so it means something. But anyway, I'll talk more about that. At the same time, you don't want the paper trading to be too easy or to have hindsight or whatever. So that's why I came on here and did this update real quick. Looks like the market's trying to turn around on us. So I wanted to sell these while I still had a profit in them. Because the SPX is turning around. It's probably fine. It'll probably just pull back and go back up at the end of the day. I'm still bullish on it, but still we bought down here. We got a chance to sell up here. So boom, we'll take the money and roll it out. And I like what I did because instead of before these expired on Monday, now I bought myself an extra day. So now we have some upside into next week. And if the upside doesn't come through, if this market goes back down and goes to 0, well, we're still up a little bit because we made more on the first trade than we spent on the second trade. And that's what I'm trying to do. But I'm also trying to maintain a positive convex return profile to the market where if the market keeps going, I have a nonlinear return, on the upside. I'm attempting to, that's the whole goal is. I want to trade and I want to be able to take short-term profits. Whenever I get a pop and make a good call, I want to, at the same time, I want to monetize that without cutting off my upside. When you're buying options, that's the reason you do it. You're trying to get an outsized move. You're trying to get upside. So we'll see. I mean, I bought these options to go all the way out till Tuesday. I had to roll my strikeout quite a ways, so it's going to make it harder for it to come true. It's not like it's a win. I had to roll out all the way to 497. So this thing, the SPY's only at 493 right now. So I need another 4 points just to break even in the next 2 days between now and Tuesday. And to make any kind of appreciable profit, I need more like 6 or 8 points. But anyway, right now I'm in a risk-free profile because I sold these and I made, let's see here, my account. So save trades. I think we can look at closed trades. I don't think it's showing as closed yet. I think it's still, because I saved it because I overwrote my existing trade. It's still part of this other, for accounting purposes, they kept it over here. But anyway, so I made $73, I guess. Does it think I still have these? I'm sorry about all the questions. I meant to close trade. Okay, this dialog says okay. Okay, so, all right. I thought I closed it last time. 248. Well, gosh darn it, this thing. Okay, so yes, we'll definitely take 248. We will definitely take 248. So, close trade. Please enter okay. We'll just say 240. Because I was trying to close them a little while ago. Okay, so now that'll show as a closed trade. All right. So we have $242, but we just spent on our rollout, we just spent, what did we spend? 180 bucks. So right now we're in the situation of either making 60, the spot of making 60 if this next trade doesn't materialize, if we don't keep going up on into Tuesday, or, so we'll take that, make 60 bucks, or we can make a heck of a lot more if we get a continuation and get a move. Like I was showing you guys yesterday, when you get, I was hoping that this trade right here would turn into this type of trade, where we get a multi-day up move. This would be Friday, this would be Monday, this would be Tuesday. So on this, in this trade's instance, I would have needed to buy an extra day. I would have needed to go out to Wednesday. If this turns out like this, it looks like my next trade will expire. It isn't going to be a big profit. But anyway, I rolled out till Tuesday. We'll just see what we do. But we're trying to maintain upside at the same time we cut risk. I'm passionate about cutting risk, as you guys know. So, and I'll always give the other side of it too. It's not real encouraging that the VIX keeps kind of is trending up. It is trying to come down a little bit here, but I would feel better if it would come down more. When it comes down more and goes, lower than here, this is where you get the multiple day rallies. All right. So anyway, it's not just so I'm not sure. I'm getting mixed signals, but the market offered us a profit. We're going to take it and we're going to roll out to Tuesday and see how that works out for us. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I'll be back probably. I don't know. I'll be back with the real option lesson. I just wanted to get this trade done in real time, so I wasn't using hindsight or anything. I'll be back with a real option lesson either today or Monday, where we look at some more in-depth stuff and don't just make a trade. All right, guys. Have a great day.